It's Wednesday morning. This kind of gives you an idea of the floor level of the house. Francis explained how what they're going to do here is not lay this block yet, mainly because that's the area the pool's going to be. But they are going to fill in a bunch of dirt here to make a kind of a roadway so that heavy equipment can bring dirt in here and fill in the rest of the foundation to build the floor. So this will be left open until probably after all the block for the pool is laid. This is the portico, and that area there is the garage. And Francis explained what they're going to do here. It's just a small change, which I hardly approve. Is there's only going to be one step up from the portico level, the drive level, into the house, just one step. So I kind of like that, frankly. This is another view of, you can see that wall, and you see it's kind of rough on top. That's because they had to cut off about, I don't know, 6 inches or so from the right corner there to meet with that corner there, which is the proper height. It's just a mistake that they fixed. Okay, it looks like this is all fixed and level. It's been filled in. The columns are all filled. So I think we're good to go. The error has been fixed and looks pretty good. They'll put some concrete on top of this area just to make it smooth. And this will be the floor level. They'll put some forms on this and some blocks, and this will become the floor of the house. Hope I can get this right. I want to try to show the overall level of the house. I asked Francis about when they're going to remove the dirt in there for the floor of what's going to be a new bedroom or media room or whatever. And he said they're not going to remove it till later on, until they get the floor poured in above, because they need something hard to prop up the plywood and frame for the pouring the concrete on top, which makes total sense. Total sense. He also said that the thickness of the concrete in this area, as well as in the basement in the back area, this will be 6 inches thick with rebar because there's no dirt to support it. Whereas the rest of the house, when they fill in with dirt, it'll be 4 inches because it's resting on top of the dirt. They'll have rebar in it, but it's resting on top of the dirt, so there's not going to be any problem with needing to support extra weight. Well, we dug a trench here so that if it rains again and the water accumulates and puddles up, hopefully it'll drain out. There. This looks much more level. Where these two columns are will be a door in the garage to the outside. It'll go out into a step and then probably one step down or so. Further on down, just past that column, will be a second door from the wash area that'll go outside also and have maybe, it'll go out to a step and then maybe 2 or 3 steps down to the ground level. So I'm beginning to see what the design of the house is going to look like. Putting in concrete to complete the repair work, level the blocks.